Welcome to the Stoic land, where timeless wisdom meets modern challenges. Today we explore how rejection, often seen as a setback, can be your greatest teacher. Inspired by Marcus Aurelius and the principles of Stoicism, we'll uncover 10 lessons to transform rejection into strength. Ready to unlock the power within you? Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Rejection is a perception. Rejection is not an absolute truth, but a subjective experience rooted in perception. Marcus Aurelius reminds us in Meditations, if you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself but to your estimate of it. By reframing rejection, you can strip it of its power. Recognize that it's not about you but about the other person's preferences, circumstances, or priorities. This shift in mindset reduces emotional distress and empowers you to move forward. Lesson 2. The obstacle is the way. Stoics believe that every obstacle is an opportunity in disguise. Marcus Aurelius said, "What stands in the way becomes the way." Rejection often redirects us toward a path better suited to our growth. By embracing obstacles, you turn setbacks into stepping stones for success. Instead of resisting rejection, ask yourself how it might be guiding you toward a more fulfilling goal. Lesson 3. Control what you can. Stoicism emphasizes the dichotomy of control. Focus on what you can control and let go of what you cannot. You cannot control how others respond to you, but you can control your reaction. When faced with rejection, instead of spiraling into self-doubt, focus on improving your skills, refining your approach, or pursuing new opportunities. This sense of control fosters resilience and inner peace. Lesson 4. Learn from the no. Every rejection carries a lesson. It's an opportunity to reflect on what went wrong and how you can grow. Did you miscommunicate your value? Were you unprepared? Rejection, when approached with curiosity, becomes constructive feedback. Marcus Aurelius would advise journaling your thoughts to analyze and extract lessons from each experience. Lesson 5. Rejection tests your strength. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength, wrote Marcus Aurelius. Rejection is a test of your emotional fortitude. It's not about avoiding rejection, but about building the strength to endure it gracefully. Each experience of rejection fortifies your resilience, making you less susceptible to the whims of external validation. Lesson 6. Practice detachment. Detachment is central to Stoic philosophy. Don't tie your self-worth to outcomes or other people's opinions. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, if you seek tranquility, do less. Simplify your emotional investments. Focus on your efforts and character rather than external validation. By detaching from the need for approval, you free yourself from the emotional weight of rejection. Lesson 7. Reverse the narrative. Rejection isn't a loss, it's a redirection. Reverse psychology teaches us to view rejection as a hidden opportunity. When someone says no, consider it an invitation to find a better path. For instance, being turned down for a job might push you toward entrepreneurship or a career that aligns more closely with your passions. Lesson 8. Let rejection motivate you. Turn rejection into a source of motivation. Use the no as fuel to improve your skills, strengthen your resolve, and prove your capabilities. Marcus Aurelius believed in taking action. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Instead of letting rejection defeat you, let it inspire you to work harder and smarter. Lesson 9. Stay calm under pressure. A Stoic mind remains unshaken by external events, including rejection. Marcus Aurelius emphasized the importance of maintaining calmness. Be like the rock that the waves keep crashing over. It stands unmoved and the raging of the sea falls still around it. Staying calm allows you to think clearly and respond wisely, turning rejection into a moment of clarity rather than chaos. Lesson 10. Focus on long-term goals. Rejection is often a temporary setback, whereas your goals are enduring. Don't let short-term disappointments derail you from the bigger picture. Marcus Aurelius advised, think of yourself as dead. You have lived your life, now take what's left and live it properly. Use this perspective to remind yourself that setbacks are insignificant in the grand scheme of your life's journey.